Look at the first one. Have they booked the tickets? It's a perfect tense because the have word is there. So we have to add the word BEEN and keep it in the question form. Have they booked the tickets? Have the tickets been booked by them? Question mark. Okay, I want you to try these. Mind you, now this has the rules of all the 4 phases. Be very careful. Write on the answers and let me know in the comments who scored at least 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5 in this, okay? Welcome to phase 4 of active passive series. In the previous series, we will quickly see what we did. In phase 1, we did the continuous tense, like the active voices in the continuous tense, and you have to add the word BEING. In phase 2, we did everything about the perfect tense, where you have has, had, or have over here, and you have to add BEEN in the passive voice. And the simple tense in the phase 3, we did this. We neither have to use has nor do we have to use BEING. So if you all have not watched those phases, I would suggest please look at those because they are just a 5-minute video each. You will understand all this better. Now over here, we are going to do active and passive of question forms and the imperative sentences. You will know what I'm talking about once I start it. In the active voice, now the active voice is in the question form. The passive also has to remain in the question form. You cannot make it in the statement form, okay? But be careful, we have to use all the rules of phase 1, 2, and 3 when we are doing this. Look at the first one. Have they booked the tickets? It's a perfect tense because the have word is there. So we have to add the word BEEN and keep it in the question form. Have they booked the tickets? Have the tickets been booked by them? Question mark. Was the maid cleaning the house in the morning? Cleaning. It's a continuous tense. So we have to put the word BEING and also keep it in the question form. Was the house being cleaned by the maid in the morning? Now here this is the time frame which always comes in the end. We have done this before. Will he teach a new lesson tomorrow? Time frame, keep this in the end. Will he teach a new lesson? Okay. There is no ing, there is no has, had, have. So it is a simple tense. Will a new lesson be taught by him tomorrow? Do not change the tense. Were you watching a movie last night? Watching. So we have to put BEING, also keep it in the question form. Were you? Okay. Was a movie being watched by you last night? Who teaches you English? Now, whenever this begins with who, the active form begins with who, the passive has to begin with by whom. It will become very easy for you to construct these kind of sentences, okay? Who teaches you English? By whom are you taught English? Who teaches is present, you keep it in the present form. This is of phase 3. Okay, who broke the glass? By whom was this glass broken? Did you write this letter? Past tense. Was this letter written by you? Question mark. Why was? Because this is the past tense. Were you helping the lady? Continuous tense. Was the lady being helped by you? Do you teach him? Question, and it is in the simple present tense. Do you teach him? Is he taught by you? Was she troubling you? Past continuous. Very careful. Was she troubling you? Were you being troubled by her? Question mark. Okay, now these are those imperative sentences which I was talking about. There is no question over here. In most cases, now in this imperative sentences, there will be no subject, okay? Straight away, object and the verb and the object will be there, or sometimes the object will also not be there. So let us see how to do those. Shut the window. Begin with the word let. Remember this, let. The minute you begin with let, your sentence will be constructed. Let the window be shut. That is the passive form of this. Help me. Okay. You are requested to help me. Let me be helped. I don't know. It doesn't sound too good to me, at least. That's fine, I guess. You are requested to help me is also a very good passive sentence. Do it at once. Okay, this is an order. Let it be done at once. Do it. We have the object and the verb. So let it be done at once. Okay, two options are there. You are ordered to do it at once or let it be done at once. Both are correct. Follow the rules. Let the rules be followed. Go away. Now, in go away, there is no subject, no object. So you are ordered to go away. Okay, I want you to try these. Mind you, now this has the rules of all the 4 phases. Be very careful. Write on the answers and let me know in the comments who scored at least 4 out of 5 or 5 out of 5 in this. Okay? Teased by you? Question mark. Who made this plan? Simple past. By whom was this plan made? Question mark. Have you finished your work? Perfect. The H word is there. So BEEN has to come. It has to remain in the question form. Have you finished your work? Has your work been finished by you? Question mark. Why was he shouting at you? It's in the question form and there is a continuous tense. So what is the rule? BEING we have to put. Why was he shouting at you? Why were you being shouted at by him? Now, some people just write why were you being shouted by him? No, that's incorrect. Okay, why were you being shouted at by him? Complete the work. Let the work be completed. Come on, tell me who scored full 5 in this. Thank you so much for watching. I will come back with another video very soon. Bye bye.